Hi, I'm Jordan, and right now I'm standing on the new 23 SPX outboard, and we're showcasing a brand new motor from Mercury. This is a brand new motor that they just came out with 3 horsepower options, a 225, 200, and a 175. Right now we're looking at the 225. This is a V6 naturally aspirated engine, and if you compare it to our 4-cylinder competitor in outboards, this is a lighter motor. It's 20% more torque, 18% faster acceleration. So one of the great features on this all-new motor from Mercury is you have an interchangeable plate right here that you can, they've got a few different colors available to order, or you can custom paint it to match the color of the boat. You've got an access panel that opens up here so you can easily check your oil without having to take the whole cowling off. But if you did want to take the cowling off, you got this handle that opens here and you can just pull the cowling right off. So it makes it real easy. You're not worried about dropping it in the water or potentially scratching it when you're moving around.